Hey Ag students, are you thinking about skipping the internships and heading straight for the workforce? Well, here are 8 reasons why internships can make a huge difference in kickstarting your ag career. The first main reason is that internships help you gain real-world experience. Your classrooms teach you the concepts, but the internships show you how those concepts are actually applied in the workplace. So you're going to gain hands-on experience, you're going to learn about industry processes, and develop the practical skills employers are really looking for. They also allow you to discover what you actually enjoy. An internship can often help you confirm if a career path is the right fit before committing to it full time. Sometimes it'll help you know, yep, this is exactly what I want to do, or you might decide, actually, I want to go a completely different path. Internships also help you build your professional network. Those connections you make during an internship can help you find a future job opportunity, find a mentor, gain references, or just industry contacts that can benefit you throughout your career. Number 4 is that employers value relevant experience, and many entry-level jobs are asking for experience right out the gate. So internships can help bridge that gap by giving you that real work experience to include on your resume before you graduate. Number 5 is you'll develop real professional skills. Communication, teamwork, time management, and professionalism are all things that employers are consistently looking for. Internships provide that opportunity to strengthen and sharpen those skills in a real professional setting. Internships can also lead to full-time jobs. Many companies use internships as a way to identify future talent, so it can really put you at the front of the line when full-time opportunities become available. And many companies actually hire students full-time upon completion of their internship after graduation, so make it count. Number 7 is you'll build confidence before you enter the workforce. The more exposure you have to these professional environments, the more comfortable and confident you'll be when you're interviewing and starting your first full-time role. And lastly, you're going to stand out from other candidates. When employers are comparing recent graduates for a job, that internship experience can help set you apart by demonstrating initiative, industry exposure, and a willingness to learn. The bottom line is, an internship isn't just about earning that extra line on your resume, but it's really an opportunity to learn, grow your confidence, make connections, and gain that experience that can help you launch your career after graduation. At AgHires, we recommend students aim for 2 to 3 internships during their time in college if possible. Internships are truly a game changer in setting your career off on the right foot. Discover more of our resources for ag students and search internships at aghires.com.